Unlock the full creative potential of your existing images by mastering the art of iPort editing with Leonardo Ai. Today, we're diving into how to make impactful changes to pictures you already have, using Leonardo Ai's incredible tools. First, let's get our starting image into Leonardo Ai. You can easily upload your photo by clicking on the Upload button or dragging and dropping it into the designated area. Once your image is loaded, you'll see it here in the workspace. And on the side, you'll find a suite of powerful editing tools powered by artificial intelligence. Let's start with basic adjustments. For example, if your image is a little too dark, we can grab this brightness slider and easily bring more light into the scene. Similarly, adjusting contrast can add depth and drama. Want to completely change the mood? Explore the color enhancement tools with the hue slider. You can shift the entire color palette. Need a more vibrant look? Increase the saturation or tone it down for a softer aesthetic. Details matter if you're looking to refine edges or bring out finer textures. Tools like Sharpening can make a significant difference, making your image look crisper and more defined. But Leonardo Ai goes beyond simple tweaks. You can also apply artistic styles or creative effects. Select an effect and watch as your photo is transformed with a unique artistic flair, from a painterly look to something entirely otherworldly. For more advanced alterations, consider Generative Fill. Imagine you want to add an element or remove something from your image with a simple prompt. Leonardo Ai can intelligently fill in the area, seamlessly integrating your vision. By understanding and utilizing these features, you can sculpt your existing images into exactly what you envision, unlocking a new level of creative expression through AI-driven image manipulation.